up, y'all? It's your girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. So today we are talking all things protective styles. We are talking about knotless braids and 5 ways that you can wear your braids. I went ahead and refreshed my knotless braids. So if you want a video on that, let me know in the comments below. But this is the first hairstyle. I love a nice slick ponytail pulled back. I turned it into a bun, laid them edges, and this hairstyle is always winning. Beautiful, elegant, pulled back out of your face. And now for hairstyle number 2. The second hairstyle is the classic hairstyle of half up, half down. And instead of doing the up part on top of my head, I am pulling it to the back with a couple of my braids down. I also like this hairstyle because it's elegant. You could put any type of scrunchie that you want in there to match your outfit. And it's just very playful and casual. You could wear this hairstyle with any outfit. If you're going to the mall, going out for dinner with your family, or a nice little just evening stroll. And if you wanted to get real fancy, you can twist that up and do a bun and have it half up, half down, with the half up part being in the bun. That's also cute too. Give it some variety, being very versatile. And our third hairstyle coming to you is the twisted bang in the front and the side ponytail. Now, because my hair is brown and I have the braids ombre to red, and also keep in mind, I did refresh my hair, so my braids are literally 3 weeks old. And if you know knotless braids, you know it gets real frizzy up there at the top. So I'm trying to make it work. But I go ahead and I twist my little bang in the front, and I pull all my hair to the side, and I put my scrunchie in. I love this hairstyle. I think you could dress it up, you can dress it down. You can even put the ponytail in a bun. This particular hairstyle is very versatile with any outfit. And if you lay those edges, you're just gonna be feeling yourself. You can even braid it instead of twisting it too. It's whatever you prefer, to be completely honest. Our fourth hairstyle to wear. This is by far my favorite hairstyle. I wear this hairstyle when I don't have knotless braids. I wear this hairstyle when my hair is curly. I wear this hairstyle when my hair is straight. I love this hairstyle. This hairstyle is the space buns, where you have 2 buns on both sides of your head. I just think this hairstyle gives you sass. It gives you attitude. It gives you everything that you thought you were missing in your life. I love this hairstyle. Sometimes I do feel like a big kid, or I feel as if I look like a kid, but this hairstyle is really cute. And I love the big buns. So being that I have my knotless braids in, how big my buns are, just fell in love. And for all bun type hairstyles, I am just twisting the hair around itself to create a bun. You can put a hair tie in and then twist it. That is actually the better option to keep your buns full, keeping them look even. However, I didn't have a hair tie for the sake of this video, so I made it work. The fifth and final hairstyle that you can wear your knotless braids in is, of course, the classic bun on top of your head. This hairstyle is my go-to hairstyle for when I want to look really pretty and dress it up and have everything slicked, edges are laid, cute dangly earrings, or if I'm about to go run to the store and I have a messy bun and my curls are kind of poking out of it. This hairstyle is GOAT. It is my go-to if I'm about to do something really quick and eat my hair out my way. I put my hair up in a bun. You can make this look very casual. You can make this look very dressy. It's really up to you. I love when my bun doesn't look even. I think it looks disheveled, and I love it that way with some hairstyles, but this is the go-to. This bun is everything you need in your life and more. So these are the 5 different ways you can wear your protective style, whether it be knotless braids, box braids, or even single-piece twists. Try these hairstyles out. Let me know which one is your favorite. And you guys already know what to do. Like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. And I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.